In this video, we are putting together the ultimate Burr basket for my bestie. Every year my besties and I do Secret Santa, and this year the theme is Burr baskets. You've probably seen this on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok. It's literally going viral, and I'm determined to make the most perfect, cozy, that girl aesthetic Burr basket. So let's go shopping, let's start planning, and let's do this, besties. Making the perfect Burr basket has an art to it, and this means we need to break down what we actually need and what the budget is. My bestie set a budget for $70, but we're not sticking to $70 because I have Priscilla, and if you guys don't know who Priscilla is, this is her. She's amazing, and she had me for Secret Santa last year, and she gave me the best Secret Santa gift I've ever received. So I want to go above and beyond because I love this girl. She deserves it. A Burr basket is supposed to focus on those cozy items, so I really want to stay away from makeup and beauty and skincare. So let's go to the mall and let's get some inspo. Many mall trips, I tried to do as much shopping as I could to avoid going and purchasing online. So let me show you the main big items that I ended up deciding on and why I chose them. It would not be a Burr basket without getting a pair of pajamas or a robe or something cozy that she can wear in her own house. So I went to Lavie & Rose because Lavie & Rose was having an amazing deal. They're having a 2-for-1 pajama sale. I personally have Lavie & Rose pajamas. It is amazing. And if you're wondering why I didn't get Victoria's Secret, my mall doesn't have Victoria's Secret. So Priscilla loves green, not really a pinky girl, so I ended up choosing this green navy red. I think this is stunning. I got it in an extra small, and I definitely can see her wearing this not just in the Christmas season but also like in January and February. And because it's had an amazing deal, I was able to pick up a pajama set for my mom. And then I went to HomeSense because I really was kind of like stuck on what to get her. I wanted to get something that was not too generic. I wanted it to be personalized. Something that she actually complimented when she came to my room the other day was my candle warmer. And I know in her room, and I know how frustrating it is to light a candle, especially like as girls, we always forget that it's burning and we leave it on. It's a little bit of a safety hazard. So I decided to get her a candle warmer, and the best place to do this is actually HomeSense. HomeSense had amazing candle warmers, and so I was there for a long time honestly trying to decide which candle warmer would suit her room aesthetic, and I went with this one. If you do not have a candle warmer, you absolutely need one. It literally lights a candle because it has a super hot bulb, but it doesn't actually use a flame. I also feel like it's more of like a creative gift, and because I got her a candle warmer, I had to get her a candle. Bath & Body Works was having an amazing sale. They were having their annual $11.99 3-wick candle. Obviously I could have gone and got her the vanilla bean, but I know my girl and she does not really like vanilla bean. Like, it's a little bit too heavy for her, so I got her this beautiful cranberry and eucalyptus scent. But also what I love is the packaging. This is such a stunning packaging by Bath & Body Works. I don't always love the look of their candles, but they really ate with this. This is really beautiful, and the cranberry is such like an elevated scent. It's more mature. You know, we're 22 now, we're not teenagers anymore. So those are the big main items of the gift, but I still felt like it was missing another cozy fun activity. And so I was thinking about it for a long time, and I went to Indigo. If you're an American, you don't have Indigo. It's basically like a bookstore mixed in with kind of like crafts, everyday home essentials. I saw that they had this amazing selection of cozy coloring books. Now, if you've seen my videos on my TikTok before, you know me and my besties, we love to cozy color. When she comes to my house, because we usually cozy color in my house, both of my besties are using my Ohuhu alcohol markers. And if you don't know what that is, Ohuhu is like the best brand of alcohol markers. Now, they're a little bit pricey, so I didn't get her Ohuhu, but I did get her own set of cozy coloring alcohol markers with the brush tip, because that's what makes it so satisfying. So now when she's at home or if she's with her boyfriend, she can cozy color on her own and she doesn't need to use my markers. So I didn't get the markers from Indigo because I felt like they were a little bit pricey, but I did get a coloring book because usually I get the coloring books from Shein or Amazon, and that's what I originally did, but the paper was so thin and I was like, this is not worth the money. Whereas for the exact same price, I was able to go to Indigo and get thick cozy coloring paper. So I returned the one from Amazon. So this is the one I got her. I feel like this one is really cute because she's currently in a relationship and she's in love. My girl's in love. And this one I think would be so cute. She can color this one with her boyfriend. She can have like a snuggly movie date with her boyfriend, or she can color it with me. obviously. Honestly, the drawings are so cute. They're not too complex, but they're still very full. That was everything I got in person. So now let's talk about what I had to actually buy online. So I made my way to Amazon because Amazon had some amazing deals, and I decided to do this not last minute for once. So on Black Friday, I was scouring the internet for some Black Friday deal, because if I can get these items for cheaper, that means I can get her more items. So because I knew I wanted to get her a cozy coloring item, I went on Amazon and I searched up for alcohol markers. I was so lucky to find a pack of 80 markers within my budget. Alcohol markers are not cheap, and this is literally a dupe for the Ohuhu markers. This is the Chen Rio brand. It is 80 colors. I'll show you all the colors that they have. This selection is amazing, especially for cozy coloring, and it has the brush tip we all know and love. I honestly was like, I looked at these markers and I was like, do I just keep this for myself? Because the selection is so good and I'm kind of getting bored of my Ohuhu markers. But Amazon was limiting. There was not that much good selection, so I am not gonna gatekeep one of the best online shops to get like stocking stuffer vibes, because now in my Burr basket I need filler items, and to do that I went to Shein. Shein, guys, you need to be on Shein. Oh my god, the stuff is so good. I feel like Shein has like a stereotype of like everything being super cheap, but like the amount I paid for some of these items, I wouldn't say they're like super duper cheap. They're just reasonable and the quality is really good. Now I know Priscilla, I'm like, how can I personalize this? I really wanted it to be super personalized to her. I want to put so much thought in this gift. She loves scarves. She wears scarves with all her outfits. She's actually the one who taught me how to do that viral scarf hack. I know what kind of style she is, and I know the colors that she likes. She likes to wear like browns and burgundies and beiges. So I saw this scarf on Shein and it was perfect for her. I literally like, guys, it came and I was like, do I keep it? Like, I wanted to keep this. So this is this beautiful burgundy plum beige black. It is a very large plaid material, so I love how it has all of these different colors and dimensions. It's definitely giving high fashion. It would pair really nicely with her wool coat. So I love how I have this little addition, because this just adds on to that cozy Burr basket theme. And then I was like, what else can I do to personalize this? And I stumbled across Shein had all of these items that you could personalize and bedazzle with like words or names on it. And I keep seeing this really cute hairbrush on TikTok. It's the OMG hairbrush. The only thing is OMG is it's out of my budget. So I saw on Shein that you could personalize hairbrushes. So I put in her name, Priscilla, on this really cute hairbrush. The quality of this hairbrush is insane. I seriously am going to go back and get it. It also arrived with this cute little bow on it, but please, I need you to see this. It says Priscilla in pink bedazzle. You can choose whatever color you want. I know her boyfriend got her the Shark Flex style for Christmas, so now she has a cute little brush to go with it, which I think is so cute. I think little things like this where you're able to personalize, you can see that you spent a lot of time in the planning. Obviously I had to do this early so it would come in time. I think this is what's really going to stand out and matter. And then lastly, those little tidbits. Instead of doing chocolates, I decided to do a beauty skincare. She loves Korean skincare. I love Korean skincare, and we've talked about like this whole Medicube, Mediheal, PDRN that's kind of trending on TikTok right now. So I went to Kyoki. I got her a couple masks. So I got her the viral PDRN Medicube mask. This one is amazing. I use it all the time. And then I found these two ones by Mediheal. It is the collagen and rose PDRN. So I know she's gonna eat these up. She loves skincare, and I think this is gonna look so cute. It's like that little perfect addition. Let's talk about packaging. So this is a very last step, because you need to get your Burr basket size based on the items that you got. And obviously I have a lot of items here, guys, so I had to go get a pretty big basket. So I went to HomeSense with my bestie, and I wanted to get her a basket that she can use in her room for either organization, styling, something that was not going to be thrown away. And I found this really cute basket. It is like this brass straw basket that I think is beautiful. You know, guys, seen these kind of baskets in my house, and I specifically ordered really cute pink Santa Claus tissue paper. So now let's get to the favorite part, and let's assemble the Burr basket. Okay, besties, and this is the final result. It looks so stunning, and as you guys can see, I'm all ready because I'm literally on my way to go celebrate Secret Santa with my besties. So I'm gonna take you guys along the whole process of all of us unboxing our Burr baskets. I'm so excited, but first we're gonna go for dinner at Queen's Harbor. So let's go. I'm so excited.
This is good. Hey y'all.
Oh my god, I actually ran out of matcha.
Cute.
This I stopped your Goodreads. Did you know I was literally gonna buy myself a black robe? I was a robe. Yeah, I was gonna buy it. Yes, I was always gonna see my aesthetic now.
Yeah.
That's why I got it black. I got it black because
She's past the cheetah.
it's a big hood too.
I've been like, I got him when I was like, damn, I want one. Guys, no
That's beautiful. I get myself one of those.
I'm gonna cry.